Mono murikeito ndemo Stephen ase oroboti urwase chingakie choni go mugavana Simba Arati abaga ukwane daigoro yo gutara kwa barai ase county ya Kisii anene abarai anene muraiwe kyama kya ODM na baigo muraiwense Dr. William Samuel Ruto na gotayona abuna Gusii ni go erebu yako barigania abarai bonsi na bogesa kubonde bonsi botari koene kiwa gobana nabaga ukwane rengane yo asaine kyabuna umuraiwe kyama kya ODM Raila Odinga na chikokora etaro ya ase county ya Kisii.
In the days to come, I know our leaders, they are going to come to our county. The president is planning for a visit in this county. And I want to say, we will welcome the president. He's the president of the country. He's the president of this country. For those ones who voted for him, for those ones who didn't vote for him, he has to impress every person. As well, we impress for those ones who voted for us and for those ones who didn't vote for us. Therefore, in the near future, the president will be visiting with us. There are many things that we are pursuing. One of the things that Professor spoke of here is a $500 billion project. But I know there is negotiations. This week, the leader of Azimio, Mheshimiwa Raila Odinga, will be in Kisii. And I'm saying we're welcoming him to come, meet his people. We're welcoming all leaders. They come engage the people who voted for them and for those ones who didn't vote for them. These are our leaders. Kwa hivyo tuwakubalie waingie, wafanye kazi yao, waondoke, sisi tuendelee na maendeleo. Hakuna siasa sasa.
Omuyega buno yobwa masabobo